Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a powerful cleaning robot that does two major jobs in one: the iRobot Roomba 104 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot. If you've been wanting a smart cleaning solution that saves time, handles pet hair, tackles dust, and even mops your floors automatically, this model is built exactly for modern homes. The Roomba 104 is designed to vacuum and mop with intense power-lifting suction, giving it the muscle needed for carpets, hardwood, tiles, and everyday messes. It's especially great for homes with pets. The suction and brush design work together to lift hair effectively. Pause. And here's one of its biggest advantages: it self-empties for up to 75 days. That means you spend nearly 3 months without needing to touch a dustbin. Perfect for busy schedules. Navigation is another strong point. Instead of bump and wander cleaning, the Roomba 104 uses LiDAR smart mapping, allowing it to map your home with precision, move in straight efficient lines, and avoid obstacles. You can customize room-by-room cleaning, set no-go zones, schedule routines, and even send it directly to specific spaces. Switching to mopping mode is seamless. The robot automatically combines vacuuming with hard floor mopping, giving you a deeper clean for kitchens, hallways, and living areas. The water control system ensures floors get the right level of moisture without overwetting. And because it has advanced sensors, it avoids carpets when mopping. The app experience is clean and intuitive. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, switch between vacuum and mop settings, and monitor coverage maps in real time. Compatibility with major smart assistants makes voice control simple, too. Whether you're dealing with pets, dust, daily dirt, or want hands-free cleaning, the iRobot Roomba 104 is a strong 2-in-1 solution that blends power with smart automation. If you're interested in checking it out, the Amazon link is below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more tech reviews uploaded daily. See you in the next video.